Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Friends, today we are going to discuss the fluid flame bearings. Fluid flame bearings are also called as sliding contact bearing. In fluid flame bearings, the entire load is carried by fluid flame. That is the fluid flame between the between the rotating member and the fixed member. Suppose this is the bearing. Okay friends, in this bearing, this is the bearing and this is the shaft, and in between these two the yellow thing that is shown here is the fluid film, which is generated because of the relative motion between the shaft and the bearing. So in fluid film bearing, the entire load of the shaft is being carried by the fluid film, okay, present between the rotating and non-rotating element. Here shaft is the rotating element and bearing is the non-rotating element. And also the primary advantage of fluid film bearing is often thought of as the lack of contact between the rotating part, and thus theoretically this will give us the infinite life. Why? Because there is no rubbing, that is there is no physical contact between the rotating member and the fixed member. That is there is no contact between the journal and the bearing. The journal is making contact with the fluid film, and also bearing also making the contact with the fluid film. There is no direct contact between the journal and the bearing, so there will be infinite life because there will be absence of the direct contact between the journal and the bearing surface. And the last thing is that fluid film bearing are frequently used in high load and high speed applications and high precision applications, and require very less maintenance. Okay, so these bearings are used where high speed is required or high load is there. And also the fluid film, in this fluid film bearing, the is in the clearance space, and you can see that because of the relative motion between the shaft and the bearing, there will be a upward force on this shaft, which occurs because of the squeezing action which is there on the surface of the fluid. When the fluid is being squeezed between these two surfaces, that is the yellow fluid which is being squeezed between the journal and the bearing, it will apply a upward force on the journal, due to which it will try to lift the journal. That's why there will be no contact between the journal and the bearing, but the load carrying fluid frame, that this yellow fluid, would carry the journal entirely. That's why it is very important to understand here that this is the fact that because of the relative motion between these two mating part, that is the journal and the bearing, the upward force, which is due to the wedging action because of the pressing of the fluid between these converging portion, will results into the upward force on the journal. So these this is the basic thing about the fluid film journal bearing. So thank you friends for watching the video.